The life of Manuel Sandoval Vallarta. Manuel Sandoval Vallarta is a Mexican physicist who was born and raised in Mexico City, Mexico. As myself being Mexican, Vallarta's contributions to the community are increasingly significant in what proves to be an underrepresented population in physics. As a part of the Mexican Physical Society made up of 1,400 members, where 800 are full-time, Vallarta's background paves the way for numerous generations to follow. After high school, Vallarta attended the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, MIT, where he graduated with his Bachelor of Science in Physics in 1921. 3 years after attaining his bachelor's degree, Vallarta received his PhD in 1924, where he began working as a teaching assistant, becoming a full-time professor in the next year. After 4 more years employed by MIT, Vallarta received a Guggenheim Fellowship to study in Berlin for a year, where he attended the universities of Berlin and Leipzig. While in Germany, he had the opportunity to learn from Max Planck, Erwin Schrödinger, Werner Heisenberg, and Albert Einstein. Vallarta is most known for his research on comet rays, as he believed them to be predominantly electrically charged, stating that they originate from random directions and their direction of travel will be deflected by the Earth's magnetic field. He calculated the latitudinal effect and concluded that the particles with the greatest energy will penetrate the magnetosphere at the magnetic equator. In 1943, Vallarta returned to Mexico, where he became the director of the National Polytechnic Institute in 1944. In 1953, he became the Assistant Secretary of Education. 6 years later, in 1959, the Mexican government awarded Vallarta its National Prize in Sciences and selected him as one of the original members of the National College. Vallarta passed away in Mexico City in April of 1977 at the age of 78. Manuel Vallarta was a fantastic physicist and is extremely important to the advancement of the field and the community.